So today we will start working on a new project. Uh, Let us first see what exactly this project. So this is going to be just one session wherein we would learn the entire project from start to end, and we would be making this particular project using Power BI. So let's just see first of all what is the project all about. So basically we would be analyzing the uh, so basically this is a data captured when there was a surprise visit to the when there were surprise visits to the stores. So let's say there is a fashion brand which has got stores in the different regions of India. Okay, and let's first talk. So let us first talk about what is the data all about. Let's just say that there is an organization XYZ which has got stores in the different regions of India. Let's say there are no stores in all the four zones: east, west, south, north. All the four zones there are, let's say, stores of this particular fashion brand. Now the data, I will tell you what is the context for the data. Let's say there is a surprise visit to the store by the auditor. Okay, and during that surprise visit, uh, what exactly is the experience of a customer, those observations are noted. So if let's have a look at the data. Let's say, for example, if you see the first column, evaluation ID, evaluation date, evaluation score. When I say evaluation score, this is evaluation score of a fashion advisor, okay, or style advisor. So the who is the style advisor? So style advisor is somebody who would be there in the store, and he would guide you right from the and not just guide but to serve the customer right from the start to the end, to make the experience excellent, so that the customers can come back, visit the stores again, and ultimately help the brand to grow and create a better image. So that's what it is all about. Now when I say evaluation score, as I said, this is the evaluation score of a style advisor. Then we have the average. So let's say we have the performance data, like performance. This should not be average performer, it should be that performance. Okay, and then we have got zones. For all the zones the data is there. Then there are different parameters that you will see within this data. So just like store ambience, first impression, I hope these things you understand just by having a look at it. Now the first and the most important thing is that how do we clean the data? So the first and the foremost thing is that we have to see if the uh, data type is appropriate. Like for instance, this one data type is numeric, whole number. This is a date column, so the data type is date. Let's just have a quick look, and if we find any column which has got not incorrect data type, in that case we will get that corrected. So let's do this quickly. So as I can see, I do not see any problem with any of the columns data types. So data type looks fine to me. Now the next important thing that we can see is if there are any blank rows that has got no values, so that at least we can put some values, replace some values, or at least delete them accordingly. So let's just quickly see if there are any the rows which have got blank values, and if there are no, then we'll not do anything. So as I can analyze, there are no major data issues and we can go ahead with it. Okay. Now the most important thing is that we'll have to have the appropriate column names to all the most part when you work on a data analysis. For the most part, it would be the boring work wherein you are supposed to clean the data, make it better. You will be fetching the data, or let's say collecting the data from different sources, and then after you collect the data, it will find that there are formatting issues, there are data issues, there are missing values. The columns are not named properly. there would be a number of issues, and this is where data cleaning comes into picture. And that's why when I said that this is where the maximum time is spent. Okay, so as you can see, even for this particular small data set, we had to spend, I mean, a lot of time for the sake of data cleaning. Now, as the data cleaning has been completed, what we can do is it's a good time now that we close and apply, so that we can see the data set. So from this Power Query to this Power BI desktop.